This initial solution will show you how to share YouTube video link on Instagram Reels. First of all, open your YouTube app and copy the video link you want to add. Once you copied the video link, go to your Instagram, tap on this plus icon, select Reel, tap on Upload, and I'm gonna selecting a dummy video from here, tapping on Add. Next, and now if I tap on emoji, if I type your link, as you can see here is no link option or clickable link option. So all you have to need just tap on next. So we can't add a clickable link on our Instagram reel. So all you have to need is just tap on next, and here inside of this caption box you have to paste your YouTube video link. Tap on OK, share. Once you reel upload it, the YouTube video link also will be added here. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.